You're standing in a pitch-black cave, waist-deep in water, and your guide just whispered, "This is where the Mayans performed human sacrifices." Welcome to San Ignacio, Belize, where your beginner trip might accidentally turn into an Indiana Jones sequel. But don't worry, the tacos are still divine. And not everything here wants to haunt you. Stick around, because this sleepy jungle town isn't just a stopover. It might be your new obsession. Tucked in Belize's Cayo district, near the Guatemalan border, San Ignacio looks like a chill backpacker town. And it is. But it also happens to sit on top of a massive network of caves, ruins, rivers, and secrets. It's basically Central America's best-kept adventure base camp, minus the crowds, plus all the adrenaline. You're 90 minutes from Belize City by car, but mentally, you're light years away from beachy tourist traps. Welcome to the wild side. Let's talk about the reason thrill seekers come here. ATM Cave. That's Xunantunich Cahal Pech if you want to sound like a pro, or cast a spell. This cave system isn't just full of ancient pottery and bones. It still has intact human remains from Mayan rituals, including the infamous Crystal Maiden, whose skeleton has calcified into the stone over centuries. You'll wade through rivers, climb through tight rock crevices, and leave with your brain melting from awe and possibly low light exposure. Not into crawling through caves with the spirits of ancient priests? Fair enough. Here's what else is on the menu. Xunantunich ruins. Just a quick ferry ride, like pull yourself across by rope quick. Away, these are jaw-dropping Mayan ruins with views stretching into Guatemala. And yes, you can climb them. Leg day and history, you're multitasking. Cahal Pech. Smaller, quieter, and right in town. Ideal for those who like their ruins less crowded and their steps less vertical. San Ignacio's downtown is refreshingly real. No manicured resort energy, just colorful markets, smiling street vendors, and a constant hum of reggae and marimba. Grab breakfast at Pop's. Try the Fry Jacks. They're basically Belizean fluffy fried magic. Then, hit up the San Ignacio market on a Saturday to stock up on fresh fruit, local crafts, and questionable hot sauces that taste like edible fire. Feeling ambitious? San Ignacio is the perfect base for wild day trips. Caracol Ruins. Hidden deep in the jungle, this is Belize's largest Mayan site. And almost nobody's there. You'll bounce along rough roads, feel like you're lost forever, and then boom. Temples rise from the canopy like something out of a dream. Barton Creek Cave. Canoe through a limestone cave with a flashlight strapped to your forehead. The vibe? Haunted lagoon meets museum of ancient bones. Rio Frio Cave and Rio. On pools. More chill, more swimmy. Jungle pools, waterfalls, and caves you don't have to hike 3 hours to reach. You're welcome. Here's the thing nobody tells you. San Ignacio doesn't just give you a vacation, it gives you a narrative. One day you're sipping coffee and chatting with a local about jaguar sightings. The next, you're standing in a candlelit cave, staring at a 1,000-year-old skeleton and questioning everything you thought you knew about ancient civilizations. It's not flashy, it's not filtered, and that's exactly what makes it unforgettable. If San Ignacio's low-key vibe hooked you, Maputo delivers that same unhurried magic on Africa's coast. Click through and let the journey continue.